Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to be going over the new Dollar General ad preview, and I'm going to be doing another separate giveaway. So make sure that you stay tuned until the end, and before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, little change of scenery, but I'm back because I wanted to go over the new Dollar General ad with you all. Now this ad is good tomorrow, starting tomorrow, Sunday, February the 27th, and runs through March the 5th. Yeah, March the 5th. Can't believe we're already into March. So just a quick note, if y'all are out at Dollar General between 7 and 8 o'clock tonight, you may be able to get in on some early activation deals. You'll just have to scan the products in your app and see if those coupons and those sales will show up for y'all. There's no guarantee, but if you guys are out at that time at DG, it might be worth, checking out. So we're going to go over the ad really quick. I'm going to also do a little giveaway as well, and we're going to talk about a couple of things. So one more quick thing before we do that, I did upload a video earlier today going over the new PNG insert. We also have a save insert and a smart source insert, and in that video I'm going to be giving away the inserts. So go check that video out if you haven't already, and yeah, I'll leave it linked in the pinned comment down below. So let's go ahead and jump right in here. This will be really quick, I promise. So we have a couple of drink deals here. Chips on sale 2 for $5. We have Kellogg's cereal on sale 3 for $6. Here's an interesting one. Buy one Dawn Power Wash and get one refill for free. Okay, the Power Wash, like little starter kit, is $4.95. The refill is $3.95. And I'm not sure if this is going to be a DG coupon or if this is going to be a sale. If this is going to be a sale, this is going to turn out really, really good, because if y'all watched my video earlier today, y'all know we have buy one, get one free insert coupons in the PNG insert. And I already ran out and picked a couple up because I know these are going to fly off the shelves. In fact, my store only had 2 of these Power Wash, like with the spray top. They only had 2 of those left. So, gosh, I really hope they get some more in stock. They had a ton of refills, but they only had 2 of these. So, fingers crossed, guys. But that may turn out to be like a super great deal if that is a sale. But I'm not going to hold my breath. So we'll find out in the morning. Y'all know I'll have my Sunday video where I go over all of the new coupons and glitches with y'all. That'll be up hopefully by 9 or 10 o'clock in the morning. I have to get up really early, really super early, but we'll do it and we'll find all of the good deals. So keep that in mind. Now we are getting new PNG coupons. Y'all, look at this price hike. We have Tide and Bounce products. These used to be $8.95 if I'm not mistaken. They are now $9.95, y'all. What in the world? That's a whole $1. Oh my gosh. I'm not about this inflation crap. I'm over it already. And it's like the prices are still they're going to continue to go up. So here again, we have the Gain products. These were $3.95. These are now $4.50. I'm not about it. Now, I'm sure a lot of y'all have heard about the gas prices going up, and I did make a post in the community tab a couple of days ago when we all started hearing about it, and there's a lot of really good tips that people have been leaving, and if y'all have any tips that you want to share about how to save money on gas, or, kind of save on your out-of-pocket, how you can lower your out-of-pocket on gas prices, little tips and tricks. If y'all have any information, please share it in that in the comment section of that community post. If you don't know how to get to my community tab, all you have to do is click on the Crazy Coupons icon. It should be right down there somewhere, and that's going to take you to my YouTube channel. Up at the top, it'll say videos, playlist, community. Click on community and find that post. And y'all need to go over there and read it anyways, because there's already some really good tips over there, okay? All right. We have BOGO free on the Rubbermaid take-alongs. Looks like we're going to have a sale on Charmin and Bounty for $4.95. A sale on the Glad trash bags. They were $9. They're going to be $7.95 this week. We have some more drink deals. Not a whole lot on this page. Buy 4, get 1 free on the Gatorade. Down here, we have Tombstones, 2 for $9. Instant savings on Velveeta. That's kind of a running, you know, it goes on all the time. We have instant savings on Tresemme, Suave, St. Ives, and Vaseline. Instantly save 2 when you spend 8 on those brands. And hopefully we will have some digital coupons or insert coupons that will go along with that deal. Fingers crossed. I'm not sure if this is going to be a new coupon or if they're talking about the older coupon, but a 2 off 2 for the Dove deodorants, it looks like. Rexall, 1 off 1. That'll be a good one. We have Always in Tampax. Here's another good instant savings deal. Instantly save $3 when you spend 10 on Colgate, Irish Spring, Ajax, Palmolive Soft Soap, Suavitel Speed Stick, and Fabuloso. So it looks like we've got a couple of sales on some products. We've got a couple of coupons, so that will be a good deal to throw in with a 5 off 25 or a daily deal. We have instant savings on a couple of household items, so sheet sets, instantly save 2. Laundry baskets, save 1. Buy 1, get 1 half off on the framed art. And on the back page, we have some more coupons. So, again, these used to be $4.95, if I'm not mistaken. They are now $5.50. Y'all, I'm not about it. I am not about it. I'm over it. Over it. So we have Purex. We have All and Snuggle products, 2 for $9. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon coming, so that's 2 for $5. That's a better deal than we had this week. We have buy 1, get 1 free on the Febreze products. So that'll be a good deal. Not a whole lot of really great pet deals. Doesn't look like, but you know, a couple of sales. A coupon matchup here and there. Alright. Now, if y'all watched my video earlier with the P&G insert giveaway, I mentioned to y'all that I have an idea for a video that I kind of talked about when I went over the gift sets, which I did find a couple of more. So I found these awesome, what is that, like a 8-pack of chapsticks for 50 cents. So I found 2 of those. Thought those were kind of cute. And I also found this little cleaning power brush for 50 cents. So I picked up that. Now, so I mentioned this in my gift set haul video that I would take like these perfumes. It says if you like Victoria's Secret teas, you'll love our studio selection. I'm not sure what they've named this one here, but anyway, so I think I'm going to take the Victoria's Secret teas, which I do have that perfume, and compare it to the DG brand. So in my video earlier today, I told y'all leave a comment. That's how you're going to enter to win those inserts in the other video. So I'm going to leave that one linked in the pinned comment down below this video. So you got to go back and watch that video to enter to win those inserts, okay? We're going to do a separate giveaway in this video. So lots of giveaways today. But in the previous video, just in case y'all didn't understand me quite clearly, here's what I'm talking about. So just as an example, we have True Living bath tissue, and we're going to compare it to Scott bath tissue. So y'all can, if you have any suggestions, y'all can tell me, hey, I want to see the Dollar General brand bath tissue and compare it to Scott bath tissue, or compare it to Angel Soft, or compare it to Charmin, or whatever. So if y'all have any suggestions, go back and check out that video and leave it in the comment section so that I can kind of take notes, and we'll come up with a really, I think it'll be a really fun video. If y'all are interested. If you're not, that's fine too. If you don't want to see it, that's cool. If you do want to see it, let me know right down below in these comments, okay? Alright. Or in the other video, whichever. Just, you know, let me know, and if y'all have any suggestions, I'm all ears, okay? So, some of y'all may be thinking, how are you going to compare bath tissue? But we can compare price. We can compare how much we're getting per roll. We can compare if one's thicker than the other. I mean, we're going to get creative with this video, alright? Because I'm kind of interested to see. I think it'll be fun. Alright, so, for this giveaway, for this video, totally separate from this morning's video, I was going through my newspapers, You know how sometimes you'll get lucky and you'll get like 2 inserts? You get 2 P&G inserts or 2 Smart Source or 2 Save. I got like 50 of these Hardee's coupons. Not sure why, but they stuck a ton of them in there. So if y'all are interested in entering to win these coupons, I'm going to be giving away a lot of them, as much as I can, because these don't expire until April the 15th. There are some pretty good deals in here. I'm not a big person who eats out a lot, but you know, hey, if you guys can save, I'm gonna give as much of these away as I can. So if you're interested, all you have to do is leave me a comment down below and just say Hardee's. That's all you gotta do, okay? And then I'll choose a couple of winners or a few winners this week. Throughout the week, I'll make a post in the community tab. I'll remind y'all in videos. So if you want any of these Hardee's coupons, just leave me a comment down below that says Hardee's, okay? Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help me out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.